Hi there, and welcome to the Video Marketing Plan Playbook. Follow this simple step-by-step playbook to create an effective video marketing plan and produce engaging video content to support your marketing goals. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of video marketing maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step. Starting with stage 1, prepare your company. And here, the first step is to review video marketing best practices, conduct a readiness assessment, and then build a business case. In stage 2, we're going to move into planning for video marketing. And your first step here is to develop a video marketing strategy, understand the video production process, create a project plan, build a production project schedule, construct a video marketing budget, identify staff and responsibilities, and evaluate video marketing consultants. In stage number 3, we're going to align an audience and the content together. And here, the first step is to identify your target audience. Select video content types. Record and monitor video assets. Prioritize topic selection. In stage 4, we're going to do script and prepare. And here, the first step is to create your own storytelling framework, followed by completing pre-production milestones. In stage 5, you're going to record and edit video. And here, your first step is to record your video content, and your second is to edit and format it. In stage 6, you're going to share, measure, and analyze. Your first step, arrange distribution with current programs, and then develop a video posting calendar. Post your video content and measure and analyze video performance. Remember, you can access all of this in the single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Video Marketing Framework. Succeed with video marketing by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.